Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a story about Akbar and Birbal. The name you must have heard, the King Akbar and Birbal. You must have heard the stories also about the king and Akbar and Birbal. So what happened? The story name is Make It Shorter. What is the name of the story? Make It Shorter. What happened? One day, King Akbar wanted to check the intelligence of his courtiers, his ministers, about his people who are in the court. So, what he did? He drew a line on the floor. And he told all the members in the court who were there to look properly at the line. He talked with the ministers and all the court people, all the courtiers who were present in the court, what they have to do. After drawing a line, he addresses by saying it. Whoever, what they have to do, he told they have to make this line shorter. The line which King Akbar had drew, they have to make it shorter without rubbing it or any part of it. Did you get it? What was the King Akbar challenge? He drew a line on the floor and he addressed to the ministers and all the court people who were present in the court, to all the courtiers. He said, they have to make his line shorter, but not to touch the line which he has drawn, not to rub also, but they have to just make it short. Now all the people in the court were puzzled up. They were looking at each other. They were thinking how to do it, how it is possible, how this line could be short without erasing it. So, in that court, Birbal was also there. Birbal started smiling when his turn came. Turn by turn, all the ministers, all the court people came, look at the line, and they were thinking, standing near the line without touching it, without erasing it, how it's possible to make the line more shorter. Right? So it was a great puzzle for the ministers who were present in the court. Now it was the turn of Birbal. Now see what Birbal did. Birbal, he went near the line. He was standing over there and was smiling. What he was doing? He was smiling. All the people were looking at him. Okay, why he is smiling? It is a puzzle. It is not possible only without touching, without rubbing, without erasing the line, how it could be short. So, Birbal, now it was turn of the Birbal. Now what Birbal did? He drew a longer line under the first one. The line which the King Akbar had drawn. He had drawn a bigger, more line under that line only. He did not touch the first line. What happened? He did not touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw what he was doing it. Everyone was very eager to know what Birbal was doing it. And what Birbal did? He just drew a line which the King Akbar had drawn under that only. And he made his line little bit longer, a little bit bigger. So like that, King Akbar line became shorter, while Birbal had drawn little bit line longer, bigger than that. So the first line, what it was, it became short. Did you follow the story, children? What it was? एक राजा था, उसने अपने दरबार में जो साथी थे उनके सामने उसने एक पजल पेश किया. उसने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी और उसने ये कहा कि जिन्होंने भी ये लाइन जो है उसको विदाउट टच किए विदाउट इरेजिंग, रब किए हुए उसको छोटा बनाना है, उसको छोटी करनी है. So all the people started one by one, each and every one turn came. All of them started looking at the line, but they were puzzled. सब आ रहे थे एक के बाद सोचने के लिए, लाइन को भी देखी, राइट. उनको ऐसा लगा कि किस तरह से हम उसे छोटी करेंगे. और राजा ने शर्त क्या रखी थी, उसको टच नहीं करना है, उसे रब भी नहीं करना है, बिल्कुल उसको टच ही नहीं करना है, उसको वहीं पे है लाइन, बस उसको छोटी बनानी है. फिर लास्ट में बीरबल का टर्न आया और बीरबल ने क्या किया, बिल्कुल उसके जो छोटी लाइन जो राजा ने ड्रॉ करी थी, बिल्कुल उसके नीचे ही उसने एक लाइन बड़ी सी बना दी. तो जो राजा की जो लाइन थी ऊपर वाली, वो अपने आप ही छोटी हो गई. तो बीरबल ने कुछ टच किया, नो. डिड बीरबल टच दैट लाइन? नो. डिड ही इरेज इट? नो. ही जस्ट drew another bigger line than that line, and automatically that line became shorter. Now we'll read the chapter. Make it shorter. One day Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered, make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it. What happened? One day Akbar drew a line on the floor. See, you can see what happens. Akbar drew a line on the floor. All these other people, ministers and courtiers, all the people were there in his court, right? So, and what he kept up, he said, what did he order? Make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it. What he told all his people in the court, you have to make this line short, but you don't have to touch it, or you don't have to rub it. Now see what happens. No one knew what to do. What happened? No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at line and was puzzled. No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and it was puzzled. One by one, turn by turn, all ministers were coming. They all were coming. They were looking at the line. They were staring at the line. But they were confused and they were puzzled. Confused मतलब एकदम सोचने लग गए. Puzzled सोचना कि ये कैसा puzzle है. No one could think of any way to make it longer. किसी ने भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि बड़ी इससे काफ़ी लंबी या फिर बड़ी, make it the line little bit longer and make this line, how this line will become shorter. No one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. No one could think, कोई सोच ही नहीं रहा था कि how it is possible कि इस लाइन जो है उसे शॉर्ट कर दें without erasing it, without rubbing it. No one could think of any way to make it longer. No one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line. Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line. What happened? It was Birbal's turn now. He was standing and smiling as he went near the line. Birbal drew a line longer under the first one. See, you can see what Birbal is doing. What Birbal is doing, you can just see over here. Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. He did not touch the first line. What he did not touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw what he drew. एवरीवन, सभी जो कोर्ट में हाजिर थे, मिनिस्टर ने सब, उन्होंने देखा बीरबल क्या कर रहा है. He drew and said, "That's true. The first line is shorter now." और बीरबल ने क्या कहा? Everyone in the court saw what he drew and said. बीरबल ने तो सिर्फ एक लाइन उसने ड्रॉ करी, लेकिन in the court all the people were there. So everyone in the court saw what he drew and said. और सभी ने ये कहा, That's true. The first line is shorter now. और सभी ने क्या कबूल किया कि हाँ सही है, वो राजा की जो लाइन है अभी वो काफ़ी छोटी हो गई है, क्योंकि बीरबल ने उससे ही ड्रू लिटिल लॉन्गर लाइन उसने ड्रॉ करी. इस वजह से राजा की जो लाइन राजा ने ड्रॉ की थी वो अभी काफ़ी छोटी हो गई है. तो डिड बीरबल टच द शॉर्टर लाइन विच द किंग हैड ड्रॉन? डिड ही इरेज इट? नो चिल्ड्रन. What he did? He just drew another line only below that line. So automatically that line became shorter and Birbal's line became bigger, longer, and the king's Akbar which he had drawn, that line became short. Now new words. O-R-D-E-R, order. To say something, to order it. R-U-B, rub. Rub means to erase it. P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle. Puzzle means what? You must be playing word puzzle or crossword puzzles, right? Many games comes. Intelligent games where you have to use your brain, you have to think, so that is called puzzle. Erase, to rub it out. Court, C-O-U-R-T, court, where the king is sitting on a throne and all the ministers and all the people are attending the court. So it is a king's court. So dear children, I hope you have understood the lesson. Please read once again. We will read once again. You will read after me. Okay. One day Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered, "Make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it." No one knew what to do. No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. No one could think of any way to make it longer. No one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Birbal started smiling when it was his turn. He went near the line. Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. He didn't touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw what he drew and said, "That's true. The first line is shorter now." So dear children, I hope you have understood the lesson completely and do reading practice at home. Thank you.